How to remove Temu minimum purchase limit. First thing first, make sure that you have the application Temu on your device. If not, head over to your Play Store or the App Store and then install it. Once you have it on your device, open it. Once you are in here, make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage of Temu. Now head over to you at the bottom. And then move into Coupons and Offers. It will lead you to this page. 3 different categories will be visible to you: unused, used, and expired. But what you want to do is head over to unused. Over here, you'll see one box where you'll be able to enter your coupon code. You have to enter the coupon code that you have it with you. The code must be valid and correct. Once you have entered the code, tap on Apply. After that, they will analyze if the code that you have entered is correct or not. If they find it valid, then the code will be applied successfully. And with the help of that code, you'll be able to get certain amount of discount and offers. And then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.